Most small businesses don't have a time problem, they have a repetition problem. They're constantly doing the same small things over and over again, replying to emails, following up with leads, updating spreadsheets, checking in on tasks. And none of that is especially hard, but it pulls you away from the parts of your business that really matter. Talking to customers, improving your product, making decisions. The work that actually moves things forward. That's where automation comes in. And I don't mean replacing your team or cutting costs. That's usually not the real solution. The real solution is removing the repetitive work that gets in the way. When you automate parts of your business, a few things happen. You spend more time with your customers because you're not buried in admin. You make fewer mistakes because the system handles things the same way every time. You respond faster because you're not waiting to manually process things every time. And maybe most importantly, you're not constantly trying to remember what happens next. The mental load goes away. And that's a big deal. Because for most small business owners, the stress isn't just the work, it's keeping track of everything. Automation gives you a system you can rely on. And that's even more true with AI agents. With traditional workflow automation, you still have to design the system yourself. You decide the steps, you decide the tools, you decide the logic. With AI agents, you don't have to think that way. You decide the outcome, and the agent takes care of the steps for you. So instead of managing a process, you're defining the outcome. The goal isn't to do less work, it's to do more of the work that actually matters. Because for most small businesses, the difference between staying busy and actually growing is being able to focus on the right things.